welcome to my Chinese channel, slowly Chinese channel. Now I'm happy because I like drive in the night because the city view in night is very beautiful. Anyone want to talk to me and want to learn Chinese? Okay, chat with me. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for your message, okay? 的情书这一首简单的歌让你的心情